Imagine spending 12 plus years in school, learning algebra, history, and science, but never learning the one skill that affects every part of your life: how to manage money. It sounds crazy, right? Yet that's exactly what happens. Schools teach us how to get a job, but they never teach us how to build wealth. And because of that, most people spend their whole lives working hard, but never getting ahead financially. But here's the good news: wealth isn't about luck or how much you earn. It's about following a few simple golden rules that separate the rich from the broke. In this video, I'll break down the 3 golden rules of money that schools won't teach you, but will change your financial future forever. And trust me, once you understand these rules, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let's get started. Most people struggle with money, not because they don't work hard, but because they were never taught how to manage it. Think about it. Schools prepare us for careers, but they never teach us how to build financial security. And because of that, millions of people are stuck living paycheck to paycheck, never getting ahead, never feeling financially free. But here's the truth: it doesn't have to be that way. The difference between people who stay broke and those who build wealth isn't just about income. It's about following the right rules. Rules that the rich pass down to their kids, but schools never mention. So today I'm going to break down the 3 golden rules of money that can completely change your financial future. If you've ever felt like saving and investing is impossible, or like money just slips through your fingers, these rules will help you take control once and for all. Now let's dive into the first golden rule of money, the one that sets the foundation for everything else. Let's start with rule number 1, and this one alone can change your entire approach to money. Money is a tool, not a goal. Most people spend their lives chasing money, thinking that the more they have, the happier or more successful they'll be. But here's the reality: money by itself is useless. Think about it. Having $1 million in your bank account means nothing if you don't know how to use it. That's why so many lottery winners go broke within a few years. They get a ton of money, but they treat it like a trophy instead of a tool. The truth is, money is just a resource, like a hammer or a wrench. If you know how to use it, you can build wealth, freedom, and security. If you don't, it just slips away. Let's take 2 people, John and Sarah. Both make $100,000 per year, but John spends everything he makes. New car, luxury clothes, expensive vacations. At the end of the year, he's broke. Sarah, on the other hand, treats money as a tool. She saves, invests, and builds assets. In 5 years, John is still living paycheck to paycheck, while Sarah is on her way to financial freedom. So how do you start using money the right way? First, shift your mindset. Stop thinking about how much you can spend and start thinking about how much you can grow. Ask yourself, what can I do with this money that will make me richer tomorrow? That could mean investing, starting a side hustle, or buying assets that increase in value over time. The goal is to make money work for you, not just disappear the moment you get it. And that brings us to rule number 2. Because if you really want to build wealth, you need to understand how to make money work for you. All right, now that you understand that money is just a tool, let's move on to rule number 2. And this one is the secret behind building wealth. Make money work for you. Most people work for money their entire lives, trading their time for a paycheck, but the wealthy, they understand that money should work for them. If you're always relying on a job to make money, your income is limited by the hours you can work. But when you put your money into the right places, like investments, businesses, or assets that grow over time, you can earn money even while you sleep. Let's compare 2 people, David and Lisa. Both earn $5,000 per month from their jobs. David spends all his income and never invests. If he stops working, his income disappears overnight. Lisa, on the other hand, invests a portion of her paycheck every month. She puts her money into stocks, real estate, and other assets that generate passive income. Over time, her money starts making more money for her. Fast forward 10 years, David is still stuck in the cycle of working for a paycheck. But Lisa? She now makes $3,000 per month in passive income, even if she quits her job today. So how do you start making money work for you? Here are 3 simple steps. First, start investing early. Even small amounts can grow into huge wealth over time thanks to compounding interest. Second, build multiple income streams. Don't just rely on your salary. Look into stocks, real estate, and online businesses. They can generate income over time, even while you sleep. Third, automate your money. Set up automatic transfers into investments and savings so that you're building wealth without thinking about it. Even if you start small, the key is consistency. The sooner you make your money work for you, the sooner you'll be on the path to financial freedom. And that brings us to rule number 3, because even if you're earning more, if you don't control your spending, it won't matter. Now that you know how to make money work for you, let's talk about the biggest reason why people stay broke, even when they earn more money. That brings us to rule number 3. Control your spending or it will control you. Here's the problem. Most people think that making more money will solve their financial issues, but the truth is, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. If you don't learn how to control your spending, it doesn't matter if you earn $50,000 or $500,000 a year, you'll always feel broke. Let me give you a real-world example. Meet Jake. He started out making $40,000 per year and was struggling to save, but then he got a promotion and started making $80,000 per year. You'd think Jake would be in a better financial position, right? Wrong. Instead of saving or investing, he upgraded everything. Bigger apartment, fancier car, expensive vacations. Now, even with double the income, he's still living paycheck to paycheck. This is called lifestyle inflation. As people make more money, they increase their spending to match it. And it's the reason why so many high-income earners are still broke. The key is to upgrade your lifestyle slowly and intentionally. Never let spending grow faster than your income. So, how do you avoid lifestyle inflation and actually build wealth? Here are 3 powerful money habits to follow. 1. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate your income wisely. 50% for necessities, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, fun, entertainment, lifestyle upgrades. 20% for savings and investments. This is where wealth is built. 2. Track your expenses. Most people don't realize how much money they're wasting. Use an expense tracker or an app to see where your money is really going. 3. Automate your savings and investments. Before you spend a dime, set up automatic transfers to savings and investments so you're paying yourself first. The key takeaway? You don't get rich by making more money, you get rich by keeping more money and making it grow. So let's quickly recap the 3 golden rules of money that schools never taught you, but the wealthy understand deeply. Rule number 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. Stop chasing money just for the sake of having it. Money is a tool. Use it wisely to build freedom, security, and wealth. If you don't control it, it will control you. Rule number 2. Make money work for you. If you only work for money, you'll always be stuck in the cycle of earning and spending. Instead, invest in assets that generate income. Stocks, real estate, businesses, so that your money starts working for you. Rule number 3. Control your spending or it will control you. Earning more won't make you rich if you spend everything. Avoid lifestyle inflation, track your expenses, and pay yourself first so you're building wealth, not just spending it. Most people struggle with money, not because they don't make enough, but because they don't follow these rules. But now you know them. So the question is, what will you do differently starting today? Small, consistent financial decisions lead to big results over time. Start applying these rules, and in a few years, you'll be glad you did. Now let's talk about the next step, how to actually start investing and growing your money. Now that you know the 3 golden rules of money, it's time to take action. Which of these rules surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, none of this works unless you apply it. So starting today, make at least one small change in how you manage your money. Even small steps can lead to big results over time. If you're ready to start investing but don't know where to begin, check out my video on Investing for Beginners, 5 Steps to Get Started, 2025. It's packed with practical steps to help you build wealth the smart way. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps more people discover this content. And if you're serious about mastering your finances, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you there.